Hello again, or hello for the first time, and welcome to the Exposition Center at the New York State Fairgrounds in Syracuse, New York. We're here for the train fair today, which is usually the first weekend in November. I can't believe it's already November, but it's still kind of warm. I'm not even in a jacket. It feels nice. We're gonna go in, obviously see some trains, but if you're planning on coming to the train fair here, which is the biggest in New York State, we're going to show you what kind of foods and all kinds of different things that you can see. There are about 30 layouts in here and approximately 90 vendors on average every year, so let's go. So we got our tickets, we're going to go in, and if you're 15 years old and under, are free admission. Always overwhelming every year. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. So most of what we'll see today is O scale, HO, but there's also a lot of N. Look, here's an N scale set right here, and a whole bunch of other things. So we're going to try to tackle this as best as we can, but we're obviously not gonna get to all of it, and it's very overwhelming right now. Some larger scale over here. This is G scale. I just love this size. Oh, James, stop, James, stop. Oh, this one's all Christmased out here. This is standard? Is that what this is? Leave a comment down below if you know. That's beautiful. This one from Chittenango, New York. Look at the details in this. This is N scale. That's amazing.
So he asked the guy that did this train set if he had to use tweezers to put the little pieces on, and he said that back when he built it he didn't, but now he probably would. Like, I don't know how anybody would build that without using tweezers.
That's amazing. It's so detailed.
Yeah.
This HO layout has a big boy on it. Not moving right now. But those are impressive in person, the real big boys. Wasn't that crazy when we...
we saw one in real life.
Yeah, that's just pretty detailed. This town center here. Look at this massive factory here. Just so impressive. Old West. Here's the Central New York Large Scale Railway Society's display. And these guys are the ones at Drivers Village. They have a layout. There's a lot of rolling stock here. These guys do a family train day That's at Drivers Village. I'll put the information for whatever I can find for all these down in the description box.
Still, we're not even halfway done with the first side. Oh my goodness, there's so much going on. Isn't it great? Oh yeah, this is the one with the apple farm down here, the orchard.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, that's it. I remember this one because of the Utica Club sign right there on the barn. And this is the one that has the New York Central station from Syracuse all modeled out. That's what it used to look like before they put 690 in. That's incredible. They have informational booklets down here. Grabbed one. I don't think I have time to do this, but they always welcome new members if you want to partake in this amazing hobby. Yeah. They're also associated with the station up in Central Square and Martisco Station and the collection here at the fairgrounds. Look at the CNY mod set here. This is HO scale. So detailed. Look at this. Texaco station here. Sherwin-Williams paints. This set has a sign for the train show in Volney at the fire department, November 11th and 12th. That's next weekend. And I love this one because the infamous bridge here. Yep. It's like they're reproducing real life. Got another truck. There's even some articles here that they've cut out just to prove that they're modeling from real life. So I love those HO sets, and this one is an S gauge. And this is a little bit bigger of a gauge. It's pretty interesting because this is not that popular for some reason. It is definitely cool. Another one that you don't really see too much is the standard gauge. I think we saw one earlier on that table, but here's another. This is bigger than O. And not quite as big as G, the ones that were on the ground.
like that little green one?
I love it so much. I don't know what it is, but it's so cute. What is it? Like it's not a caboose. It's just so adorable.
Another one of our favorites to see this N scale. And we love this one because of the disaster scenes. Godzilla.
There's Mothra.
Yeah, Mothra's over there. And of course on the other side of the table, Sharknado.
Oh, is it just a twister?
Oh, it's just a twister now? It was Sharknado for a little while.
Yeah.
Now look at the size of the Salt City N track layout here. Let me take a quick look at this. And then, yeah, we're about halfway done now. I think we're about halfway done.
I don't even know, we haven't even done the middle parts yet.
This is great. This is very unique that you get to see all the lights that they've done in here. Yeah, up above they have the gauge comparison. G standard O 027 S HO N and little Z on the end there. I said this segment is, this module is part of the N-Track World Record Modular Layout. Wow. In this section they have kind of a Where's Waldo thing. An I Spy. Find all the different things. Oh no. Oh look!
Oh no!
Someone spilled their creamsicle.
Quick, eat it all. Eat it while it's still good.
It's down here. There's so many little details. These guys are on Facebook, turns out. Huh. Look at the old Burger King. That's what Burger King used to look like. It's kind of amazing.
Hidden corpse. Did you find the hidden corpse?
So you found the hidden corpse.
I had a lot of help. These guys helped me like a lot.
Yeah.
When it's in there. I didn't think it was a person, but it definitely is. He's had a rough day. He's in that blue dumpster. The best part is that guy asked me, where would you hide a corpse? And I'm like, in a dumpster, of course. He's like, you're right, it is in a dumpster.
Of course, there's the circus section, and it's all circus models. We're not really going to show any of this in this video because we did an entire video last year or the year before on it. But we will link that in the description box if you want to check that out. So there's a big train that you can ride around on down there. We didn't see it running right now. I wonder if they're having issues with it or if it's just taking a break. And then also down here they have a area where you can ask model train questions and get help with your own layout at home. That's cool.
See, like it, and it lights up and you can see that maybe there are people inside. I love that stuff.
I hope
it's so cute.
I love this. It's the Not Too Serious Railroad Society of Central New York. They have a little panel there. Kids can control things.
And Buzz and Woody.
The McMurphy's building. Pig barbecue. Oh, that's impressive. Oh, look, it's a tiny house. Is that what people do? They convert things like that into tiny houses?
Yeah, I think so.
It's the first tiny house. These guys are out of Rochester, New York. This factory down here. This beautiful bridge over the top. Here's the Home Alone Lego set. That's because this is the oh, and there's a whole bunch of Batman here. It's because this is the Lego train set. That's impressive. Oh, talk about impressive. Look at that pyramid. Any mummies in there?
It's not a library.
So we will go shopping here in a second, and there are two more layouts to look at, and we'll do that a little bit later. Right now, I think it's a good time to check out their menu and see what they have. So they have a lot of fast service here stuff, hot dog, hamburger, cheeseburger, mac and cheese. Tenders combo is $12, and then they have a bunch of beers here and everything. Looks like some local things too. Heritage Hill, Middle Ages, something unexpected. Yeah, they have a special right now, $8 for pulled pork. Of course, while you're eating, you could watch a movie. A bunch of benches here. This is the table that greets you when you come in. Some model train sales and shows. And when you come here, you can also learn about different things like the Adirondack Scenic Railway. They actually just repaired some of their train track up there. It was washed out over the summer when we had all that rain. And down here they have a locomotive for the Milford Park Railway, which I haven't heard about this before. Have you heard about the Milford Park Railway?
No, I have no idea. It's so cute.
Yeah, we should go take a look at their booth here. Yeah, look at that in here. I guess that's where you would sit, and have the controls there. Wow, that's complicated. Oh, it's a 18-inch gauge in Milford. Oh. Oh, wow, that's cool. Look at these photos. Leatherstocking Railway Historical Society. Owners and operators of the Cooperstown and Charlotte Valley Railroad in Milford. We're gonna have to check that out. Leave a comment down below if you think we should go. Operating schedule for this past year.
And I found what we should do if we ever win the lotto. You could be a guest engineer.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like not in our tax bracket, but it's really great.
And then over here they have a rail explorer, so you can pedal like a bicycle these little cars down the railway.
With our train route. On Saturday. Bang!
Let's see if we can find any good stuff over here. It looks like they have a nice variety. John Bull and Coach. I think there might be some good prices here. Oh, look at it. That's the Thomas and Friends starter set.
There's an aquarium like that guy had.
Oh yeah.
We too could have an aquarium for only $30.
The guy in the speeder, and then they have Lucy and Charlie Brown. All these knickknacks. Erector set. Some old signs, tin signs. Wow. It's a girl boxcar. Oh, look at this Borden's milk car. That is classic. And this company, they make parts to these to get your set back in order. If you're interested, they have a website there.
Yeah, it's on the card too, and then there's email and phone number on the back as well.
Perfect.
Oh, sweet. Thanks.
So yeah, we make everything in-house. This is our own product line, and we sell all over the world.
That's awesome.
And we're the only company that makes most of these products.
Let's set this smoother in between. And he has a ton of them, but
Look at all this N-scale accessories and rolling stock and everything. And down here they even have, like I have this one at home, Lehigh Valley. Yeah, so $7 each. There's all kinds of stuff here. Look at that. What are those for? Gas? Tootsie Roll car? Hess trucks. Hess trucks are still popular. Look at that. Over here they have Z-scale and T-gauge. The size, it's not going to come out on a video how small this is.
and for sale.
I know, right? So these are all little sets in suitcases. Look at that. Isn't that tiny? Yeah, this kind you would have to use tweezers, I would imagine.
This is so cool. I love them being in these suitcases. It's such a nice, like, unique way of displaying them.
Those layouts are so amazing.
It's incredible. I love them so much. I couldn't stop looking at them. I just want to, I don't know, just stare at them all day. I don't know how he did that. Like any of that. How? With tweezers and no coffee and gorgeous.
Oh look, it's Elvira down there, the monsters, and we have Ghostbusters down here.
Oh, I have that.
Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. Wow, thanks.
That's like perfect.
Tell them what they're looking at.
I know I'm looking at a Hobbit hole.
Pickles, cans, and toilet paper rolls.
This is their cage.
Wow. Yeah, this is gorgeous.
And they have Tudor ones, and they have little thatched cottages, and they're really
I've got the put it out right there and we'll deal with it.
Plastic trays like these that I can put two in.
Right to the suitcase.
Oh man,
Yeah.
hang on, I gotta go check.
There's some more Lego trains. Yeah, it's Christmas. And then over here, one more set we have to look at. Oh, there's a Star Wars scene. This one doesn't seem to be running at the current moment in time. It is getting kind of late. I think we're closing this place down.
Yeah, we are.
Thanks for joining us at the biggest model train show in New York State. It's always a fun time. We've been here a number of times before, so you can find those videos on our channel also. This year, that Hobbit pull was
I'm still freaking
your
out
favorite.
About it. I'm still freaking out about it. It was so good, you guys. It was so good. I teared up. When she turned it around, I teared up.
Yeah.
She made it out of Pringles cans and toilet paper tubes and a kit, but still.
Yeah, we'll link that. We only blipped that on the screen for a little while. We'll link that down in the description box. You can buy this stuff from England. It's incredibly detailed, and you get the instructions on how to do it and everything. Kind of cool. But thanks for joining us today. If you did like this video, click the like button down below. It's our favorite button.
It is.
And second only to the subscribe button. So if you see that button down there and it says subscribe, go ahead and hit it, and then check out some of our other videos. We'd appreciate that, and we will see you down the road on our next road trip. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, there's no line at Pizza Frida. There's no line right now. We could get in line, and next year for the fair we won't have to wait in the line. We'll be first.